So did you know that you can participate in FPV without having to buy a drone and all that stuff? All you need is a radio and a simulator.
Rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
Let's talk about my favorite simulator. There's no affiliate links, so I'm just helping you out of the kindness of my heart. But what you can do is join my Patreon for, I'd suggest $2. I just helped someone with this yesterday. I thought I'd make it so that I could help you guys. If you want to participate in a Racegow, and now there's something called Webleed that is right now, like you can put in times to try and make it on the team. It's going to be every Sunday, FPV races, and you can find more details and information on that. But if you want to be doing these things, you're going to need the Velocidrone simulator and the micro pack. So all you do is go into your Google search, type in Velocidrone. And if someone was asking like if they could get it off TBS or if they would get it off the site, where do they get it? What do they get? It's a little bit confusing. There's lots of different options. So what you're going to do is go to Velocidrone Simulator. Here we go. And then you're just going to go right over here to shop. Once you get to the shopping page, you can buy all these packs. There's a freestyle pack. This is the main one, and you can kind of do everything with this. But I would suggest maybe getting the freestyle pack and the micro class. You need the micro class to be able to participate in all these races because it has the little drones. And there's new drones coming soon too, the first time in a long time with better physics. So we're looking forward to, I believe, the Air 65 is coming. And whatever T-Dog's flying, or if that's what T-Dog's flying, he's like a famous Whoop dude, so you can like check him out. A Whoop is like, if you don't know what a Whoop is, you probably shouldn't even be here. Even though they're terrible, they lots of people like flying them, and that's what we race all winter long. Once you have the Velocidrone, let me show you how you can find the track.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Once you have the Velocidrone, you will have to calibrate your joystick, and it's pretty simple. You just follow the steps. Okay, so see, I have the micro class already. That's why I have this super cool little Whoop that Angry Dawn designed. Angry Dawn's a really cool, like, guy. Check out his stuff. Search Angry Dawn on YouTube and watch his stuff. Great pilot. It's always nice to learn more. Another guy's Shutterbug85. I think it's Shutterbug85. You look him up and you'll see some fun content. I think Angry Dawn and Shutterbug are my favorite people for Tinywhoop content. So look here, you click on controller with your radio connected. You'll be able to make your radio work with this. Then you go into single player. You'll pick your drone and everything. See, so I have a few little drones. So you pick it, continue. You see with these tracks. So for instance, with the Webleed tracks, if you want to find them, we're on Webleed Season 4. So you type into here, you just put in Webleed S4, enter. And now, boom, these are the 3 tracks that you have to get the qualifying times in. So you can actually get on that right now while you're still able to. They do it every year, so every year it gets more intense, it gets crazier people. There's a lot more people that spend every day simulating, so it becomes a lot harder for us regular people to be able to do this. Do it anyways, it's fun. There's nothing that will make you a better pilot than racing. Even if you just say, I like freestyle. Some people are like, I like freestyle, forget about racing. It's like saying I don't want to get better, because racing just makes you better at everything. It teaches you how to control the drone, how to make it go through the little hoop and stuff, and if you can do that really fast, you're going to be a better overall pilot in everything. It's going to make you better for cinematic work, it's going to make you better at racing, it's going to make you better at freestyle, so there's no reason not to do it. That's how you find the Webleed ones. Let's say you wanted to participate in Racegow. All you do is put search, go Racegow, boom, see, there's all the Racegow tracks. So we're on Racegow 3, so if you wanted to be on Season 3, Racegow 3, boom, and there's all the Racegow 3 tracks. So it's as simple as that, then you click on it, you can start flying, and that is how you do it. Before you start like flying through everything, let's say you want to just make things a little bit better for you, you can go into the options, and you can mess around with all these things, like you can make your display worse so that it runs smoother through with screen settings. Like it's all self-explanatory. I'm not going to teach you these things because it's just, you should be able to figure it out. Make it lower and things will work faster. If you have an amazing computer, just blast it all to the max and enjoy yourself. Check out my Tinywhoop Masterclass. It's a whole hour full of 3 years of information that I learned buying and destroying everything. Smoochy, smoochy. You did it. It's done.